Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Good morning, friends. It's Saturday morning and I really slept in this morning. I just haven't stopped for the past like week, and so I was just very excited to just sleep in this morning. My body woke me up at 7 a.m. but I just laid on my phone and worked on my laptop until now. I need to get up and have a shower, have some breakfast, and then I think I'm going to take myself to Strafford's and have an editing session. I have 2 vlogs to edit because I didn't upload yesterday because I didn't have time. I physically didn't have time to edit yesterday, so that's what we're going to do. And then after that, I think I need to run to Coles and get some stuff because I need to do some baking before Christmas. But today's my day off. I have a day off tomorrow as well. I'm working all day Christmas Eve, but I'm just trying to focus on having today and tomorrow off. Very excited. It's now 10:30 and I took my time getting out of bed, getting showered, eating some food, and now I'm just gonna chuck on a little bit of makeup and then I'm gonna head out the door. But I thought I would jam out to some Christmas tunes while I got ready.
A merry little Christmas. I don't want a lot for Christmas. You. I don't want a lot for Christmas. Resting is us by the fireplace. She'll make us snow in California. I'll even settle for it. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
I'm all dressed, ready to go to Zarafa's. Top is from Target, my jeans are from Cotton On, and then I just have my Connies on. I have my bag packed with my Bible and my journal and my pens, and then I have my laptop packed with all of my electronic stuff, and I'm holding the camera in such a weird way, but I have no hands. It's 4 o'clock and Alex and I are on our way to our Angel Tree family's house. If you watched a couple vlogs back, Alex and I went shopping and we bought a bunch of presents for some kids. Go watch that vlog if you haven't seen it already. I explain everything, but we're delivering those presents now, but we don't even know if they're going to be home or not. So we may have to talk to them, we may not. We have all of the presents at my feet and we've written a card and we're going to go drop them off. And then I'm leaving because Alex is having a pool party without me. Do you have anything to add? No. I just got home from my parents' house from delivering the presents, and I just wanted to sit down and chat to you for a quick sec about it. First of all, just want to say I'm not telling you this so that you guys can be like, Georgia, you're so great, that's so nice of you to do that. Wow, like this has nothing to do with me and I don't want anyone to say that. That's not why I'm saying this. But before I went, I was talking to my mum about it, and my parents have been doing it for years, and she was just warning me that sometimes I've had bad experiences where the person doesn't want to receive the gifts. Again, if you haven't seen the vlog where I shop for the presents, go and watch that because I explain it more. For the family that my brother and I had, the mum was in prison and she sent the request into prison fellowship to get her 3 kids a present. On the form that it gave us, it gave them the kids' names, their age, saying who the request was from, who the guardian of the kids is, their phone number, their address, and a message that they wanted to be written in a Christmas card with the presents. Us rocking up to the house, the family had no idea that we were coming because the request was sent from the mum in prison and the grandma was the kids' guardian, so the grandma had no idea that we were coming. Mum was just warning me that sometimes the guardian doesn't have a good relationship with the person in prison, so sometimes they don't want to receive a gift from them, and they've been declined giving kids gifts before, and so I think that slacked me up a bit. I was like, what if I walk in there and I've spent so much like money and time and consideration getting these gifts and then they don't even want them? But sometimes that's just the way it goes. So I was like really nervous walking in there. If you think about it, the whole situation is quite terrifying. But my brother was like, chill, it'll be fine. So we walked into the house, so we were like, hi, we're from Prison Fellowship, part of the Angel Tree, and we've just got some presents for the kids from their mum. And the lady was like, yeah, come on in. She's like, I'm auntie, but the grandma and the kids are inside. And I was like, okay, cool. We walked inside and all the kids were like, hi, who are you? And we were like, oh, we're from Prison Fellowship. Like the kids were all under 10. We've just got some presents for you from your mum. And they were like, oh my goodness, yay, mum, we get to see mum tomorrow. We're going and visiting, blah, blah, blah. And it was so cute. The grandma came out and was like, oh, hi, lovely to meet you. Like, thank you so much. This is so lovely. And then we gave the kids the presents and they were like, can we open them now? And I was like, well, I don't want to be here when the kids open the presents because what if they don't like them? And the grandma was like, yeah, open them. And I was like, but the boy opened his box of Legos and he was like, I love Lego. How did you know I loved Lego? And the grandma was like, yeah, how did you know he loved Lego? And I was like, then the girl opened all of her arts and crafts stuff and she was so ecstatic. She was so happy and she was gasping at everything in her present. It was so cute. The other boy was asleep on the couch so he didn't open his present, but they were so happy. And then they just like started telling us random things. Like the girl was like, look at my pet budgie. I got her last week. Come look at her. She likes talking to herself. And I was like, whoa, cool. The auntie and grandma was so grateful and it was so cool to be able to be part of that and to do that. The kids were busy playing with the presents so we said bye and they said thank you and we walked outside. The grandma was like, oh yeah, the kids get to go visit their mum tomorrow. They get to spend a whole 2 hours with her. She's been in there for 12 months and they've only seen her for 40 minutes in that whole time, so it's really exciting that they get to see her tomorrow. And they were like, thank you so much for doing this, like really appreciate it. And we were like, that's okay, Merry Christmas. The situation couldn't have gone better and I'm so happy that they appreciate them. Obviously doing good deeds like that is to bring other people joy and make them happy, but it also fills my heart with so much joy and I honestly am just like high on life right now. Just wanted to pop on and say if you can do a small little like act of kindness, even if it's tiny, smiling at someone or buying someone chocolate or something, just do it. It makes you feel so good, it makes the other person feel so good. It's just a great thing all around. I'm so happy that we got to share some Christmas joy with some kids that we don't even know. So it's now 5:30 and on my way home from my parents I went to Coles and I picked up some chocolate chips, brown sugar and green and red M&Ms and I'm gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna take them to my family Christmas Eve dinner and I'm gonna take some to my grandma tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna spend my night doing. Probably gonna chuck a Christmas movie on and just bake some Christmas cookies. Finished baking my cookies. I haven't eaten any because I just brushed my teeth, but it's like 10 p.m. and I just put on a tan, which I'm gonna sleep in tonight and then wash off tomorrow, so I'm nice and tan for Christmas. But I'm just gonna watch a little bit of Netflix and then fall asleep, and then I have another day off tomorrow, which I'm so happy about, but I have a lot of things to do, so I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingle, ring, 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 ring,